Are medicine and prescription drug free in a socialist country like Sweden? Let's find out.
Oi! My name is not Sven, it is Martin, yeah.
And the short answer is no, prescription drugs is not free in the country of Sweden. We do, however, have something that will keep people from being thrown into a downward spiral into debt. We have a limit. Högkostnadsskyddet, the high cost protection, is a benefit for all Swedish citizens to keep us from having too much personal expense when it comes to healthcare. There are 4 types of högkostnadsskydd. There is medical technical equipment for personal use, there is medical trips, and there's open treatment in the healthcare system. But we're gonna focus on the 4th one, prescription drugs. The highest amount that you will pay for prescription drugs in Sweden right now is 2,300 kronor, which is this, if the medicine is covered by högkostnadsskyddet, which most medicines are. But most people will never reach that number, and here's why. When you get a prescription from your doctor on day 1 of the first month, you might pick out medicine that costs 400 kronor and maybe something else that costs 500 kronor. By then, you have reached 900 kronor. Are you with me? Alright. If you would go and buy something that cost, 250 kronor, you would reach half of the 2,300 limit, which means 1,150. What happens then? When you have reached 1,150 kronor, which is half of the total sum, you get a 50% discount. I know. And once you're at the 50% discount, you need to pay about 500 kronor, which would have been 1,000 because, 50% discount, in order to reach the next level. And next level is 75% discount. Now, if you manage to buy medicine right now with a 75% discount for about 450, 500 kronor, you reach the 90% discount level. And once you're at this level, you need to pay another 150 kronor to reach that 2,300 in total. But remember, you have 150 kronor with a 90% discount. And once you've reached that 150, which means 2,300 kronor, which is the limit, the top, the ceiling, you get ett frikort, free card. Now, from here on, anytime you take out medicine until that full year since that first purchase on the first day of the first month, medication is free. You can pick out anything as long as your doctor has prescribed it for you until that first day. Once you reach that first day after a full year, it starts all over again and you have another 1,150 to get to the 50% discount. So in total, you pay 2,300, but most people, they never get that high. So no, prescription drugs are not free in the country of Sweden, but they are heavily subsidized. I mean, I live with a chronic disease called ulcerative colitis, and I am very thankful to be living in a country where there is a limit to how much I have to pay for my medication. If I lived in another country which might not have had this system, my financial and medical situation might have been much worse. So, what is the situation regarding prescription drugs in your country? Is there a cap? Is there a ceiling? Is there a limit? Is there a roof? Or are you left with the, if I don't have money, I'm in trouble? Let me know. I'd really like to hear about the situation of other people in other countries in the world, because I think that's a way for us to learn about each other and create understanding for different systems. So welcome to the comment section of this video, and I hope you found this video rewarding when it comes to learning more about the Swedish healthcare system when it comes to prescription drugs. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you the next time you click on one of my videos.